Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to copy and cut in Excel. It's going to be a quick tutorial, so let's just get started. So let's go on D2, and we're going to type in a number. Let's do 1,000. Now, after we have selected and put in the number 1,000, we're going to select it again, and then just press Control X. This is going to select it even further. We call this the running ants because they look like little ants running around. And then we're going to go to another cell that we want to cut it into. And we're going to press Control V. And this just cut the number from this cell to this cell. And it's not copying, it's just cutting. But if we actually want to copy and paste it, all we have to do is have this cell selected that we want to copy. And we're going to press Control C. Now we actually have selected it even further by copying it, and we're going to go to, let's say, the J2 cell, and we're going to press Control V. And that is how you cut and paste in Excel. And to get rid of the running ants, all you have to do is press Escape. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.